Welcome to week 2 of our course, where we dive into the heart of data analysis. This week, we're focusing on extracting meaningful insights from our database. We'll begin by establishing a connection to our Postgres database. With a few lines of code, we'll execute SQL queries directly from Python, retrieving the data we need. Once we have our data, we'll move on to processing and refining it using Pandas libraries. We'll compute statistics, perform groupings, and get our data analysis ready. And then the visualization journey begins. With libraries like Mathplotlib, we'll bring data to life through informative and visually appealing charts. Imagine transforming raw numbers into compelling pie charts that reveal the proportions of different categories, or into stack charts that show how these categories stack up against each other over time. We'll also chart trends using line graphs, unveiling stories behind the real world healthcare datasets. But there is more. We'll delve into advanced Python techniques to pre process our data, ensuring that it's in perfect shape for visualization. Get ready to unlock hidden stories behind your data. Let's turn those numbers into narratives. This week promises to be transformative. Let's get started.